Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix high ping in Roblox. First, if you're currently using Roblox, you have to make sure that you have closed the background apps that you're currently not using. To do that, go ahead and search for Task Manager. Just open this up and just right click on any task that you are not using. For example, I'm going to right click on this one and simply click on End Task. Once you have done that, the next way would be to search for Windows Defender Firewall. Let's open this up and click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall from the options at the left. And from here, click on Change Settings. On this list, we are going to look for Roblox. Now, if you don't have it, click on Allow another app right here. And we're going to browse for the Roblox app. So you can go to your C drive and go to Program Files. And if it is not on here, go to the other Program Files folder and see if Roblox is there. If you don't see it, we can go ahead and search for Roblox. Right click on the Roblox player and click on Open File Location. Right click on it again and click on Open File Location once again. Once you have done that, we can click on the address at the top and you can then hit Ctrl+C on your keyboard, go back to the Add an App window, click on Browse, and click on this Path section, and we are going to hit Ctrl+V and hit Enter, and we can then select Roblox Player Beta right here and click on Add. And once you have done that, make sure that Roblox is both checked on private and public. After that, click on OK, and the next way we're going to do is open up a browser, preferably Google Chrome, and we're going to go to the Chrome Web Store website, which is chromewebstore.google.com, and from here we are going to search for Roll Gold. Hit Enter, and click on this one right here, and click on Add to Chrome. Select Add Extension, and once it has been added to your Chrome, you can go ahead and go to the Roblox site. And what's this going to do is, for example, you want to try opening a specific game, go to the servers section, and once you browse through the servers, you can see the average ping for each server, and you can then join a specific server with the lowest ping to have better performance in the game. Another way would be to search for CMD, right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes, and the command that we're going to type in is ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter on your keyboard. The next command would be ipconfig/renew and hit Enter on your keyboard once again. The last command is netsh space winsock space reset. Hit Enter, and you might have to restart your computer and reopen Roblox again and see if that solves your problem. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.